Jai Hind to all. My name is Omkar, and today we are going to see our first video on most important questions of physics. So without any further delay, let's get started. So wait for a second. I hope this PDF is visible to all of you. So this is the PDF of physics PYQs of NDA, and these are the most important questions. So now without any delay, now we should see the question. So coming to our first question, it is of: if a ship moves from a fresh water into a seawater, it will. The options are sink completely, sink a little bit, rise a little higher, or remain unaffected. Giving you some time. Oh, you had already seen the answer. So the answer is rise a little higher. Wait a second. Rise a little higher. Now our next question is अपना अगला क्वेश्चन है: capillary is dipped vertically in a liquid. The level in the capillary will be same as outside the capillary if the angle of contact is. So giving you some seconds to solve. Options are 90-degree, infinite, 1, and option D is acute. So our answer will be 90-degree. Capillary is dipped vertically in a liquid. The level of capillary will be same as outside the capillary if the angle is 90-degree. So this is our capillary. Uh, so dipped vertically in a liquid. The level of capillary will be same if the angle this is 90-degree. Okay. Our next question is the energy in stretched wire is. These are the options: half load into extension, stress into load, load into extension, load into strain. Our answer will be half load into extension. This is our PDF. This is our questions of physics PYQ. We will solve it as fast as we can. Okay. Out of solid, liquid, and gas, which has maximum elasticity? As we all know, the answer is solid. The Young modulus for a perfectly rigid body is. So what is the Young modulus for a perfectly rigid body? It is infinite. When the temperature of a liquid increases, then the surface tension of liquid, it will surface tension decrease. Due to capillary action, a liquid will rise in a tube of angle of contact is acute. The body floats in a liquid if the buoyant force is greater than its weight. Sorry. If the buoyant force is equal to its weight. Equal to or greater than its weight. So this will be the most accurate. The capillary tube is partially immersed in a wetting liquid. In this situation, the loss in the weight of capillary tube will be equal to the weight of liquid displaced, equal to the half the weight of liquid displaced, less than the weight of liquid displaced, more than the weight of liquid displaced. Our answer will be less than the weight of liquid displaced. Our next question: surface tension mainly arise due to. जो सरफेस टेंशन होता है, ये वाटर जो लगाता है बॉडी के ऊपर, ये अपवर्ड फोर्स. दिस मेनली अराइज ड्यू टू एडहेसिव मॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स, ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स, कोहेसिव मॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स और इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक फोर्स. आवर आंसर विल बी कोहेसिव मॉलिक्यूलर फोर्स. भाई अगर मेरी ओर से पूछोगे तो तुमको ये सारे क्वेश्चन लर्न कर लेने चाहिए, क्योंकि ये पीवाईक्यू जो है रिपीट होते हैं, एंड दिस आर द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट पीवाईक्यूज. Our next question is: the waterproofing agent changes the angle of contact from pi by 2 to an obtuse, to an acute angle, acute to pi by 2, and pi by 2 to an obtuse angle. Our answer will be an acute to an obtuse angle. For a steel boat floating on a lake, the weight of water displaced by the boat is less than the weight of the boat, more than the weight of the boat. equal to the weight of the part of boat which is below the water level of the lake or equal to the weight of boat. So as we all know, in this case the Archimedes principle is followed and our answer will be equal to the weight of the part of the boat which is below the water level in the lake. Okay. Now next question. When a solid object is immersed in water, then there is loss in its weight. This loss is due to when a solid object is immersed in water, then there is loss in its weight. This loss in its weight is due to अरे भाई हम सबको पता है किसकी वजह से होता है बॉन्ड फोर्स की वजह से बॉन्ड फोर्स जो नीचे से ऊपर की ओर लगती है बॉडी के ऊपर जो भी बॉडी लिक्विड में जाती है the loss is equal to the weight of water displaced. Yes, yes, it is this only. Less than the weight of water displaced, greater than the weight of water displaced, not related to the weight of water. Our answer will be A. Specific gravity of silver is 11 and specific gravity of iron is 8. Which one among the following is the approximate relative density of silver with respect to iron? So it will be 1.4. Suppose we have an iron nail and an iron ball of same mass. When submerged in water, iron ball may float, but the nail always sinks. This is because अरे भाई तुमको पता हमको पता क्योंकि उसका जो है टिप होता है उसका सरफेस एरिया कम होता है और जितना कम सरफेस एरिया उतना ही ज्यादा जो है प्रेशर लगता है क्या है बॉन्ड फोर्स ऑन द बॉल इज लार्जर देन द नेल ड्यू टू देयर शेप्स और क्या शेप कम है अरे आपकी जो सुई होती है क्या शेप है इस टाइप में तो शेप है उसका तो भाई सरफेस एरिया भी कम है सीधे तो जाएगा ये Bernoulli principle is based on which among the following laws? Bernoulli's principle: conservation of mass, conservation of momentum, conservation of angular momentum, conservation of energy. So it will be conservation of momentum. Sorry. Bernoulli principle works on the उसका principle क्या है? Conservation of energy. Sorry. Bernoulli principle हाँ. Okay. Kerosene oil rises in wick of latin because of कैपिलरी एक्शन ऑफ द विक भाई किस तरह उठता है जैसे ये लालटेन है अरे यार ये क्या बता रहा हूँ जैसे ये इसका वो है जो टिप रहता है जो बाहर रहता है तो क्यों किस तरह जो है जो है ऊपर आता है जब इसमें ये वाटर एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है ऑयल एब्जॉर्ब कर लेता है फिर ये ऑयल इसके थ्रू ऊपर गया फिर ये जलने लगा ये क्या है ये कैपिलरी इसको जो है कैपिलैरिटी कहते हैं इस फिनोमेना को इस प्रोसेस को So our next question, the density of three liquids are D, 2D and 3D. What will be the density of resulting mixture if equal volume of three liquids are mixed? It will be 2D. A deep sea diver may hurt his eardrum during diving because my pressure atmospheric pressure सॉरी वाटर प्रेशर बहुत ज्यादा लगता है वाटर के अंदर क्योंकि जैसे वाटर की डेंसिटी ज्यादा है वाटर का जो है वॉल्यूम ज्यादा है तो जब ड्राइवर इधर तैरेगा तो वाटर प्रेशर बहुत ज्यादा लगता है इसको गलती से एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर मत कर देना भाई वो एटमॉस्फेयर में नहीं है एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर तब होता है जब वो जैसे पहाड़ पे गया पहाड़ से नीचे आया तो उधर एटमॉस्फेरिक प्रेशर वाला आंसर होता है ठीक है विच वन अमंग द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट करेक्ट In steady flow of liquid, the velocity of liquid particle reaching at a particular point is the same at all points. Steady flow is also called streamlined flow. In steady flow, each particle may not follow the same path as taken by a previous particle passing through that point. Two streamline cannot intersect with each other. So we all know the answer is in steady flow, each particle may not follow the same path as taken by the previous particle passing through that. स्टडी फ्लो में क्या होता है ये पार्टिकल है तो ये पार्टिकल इधर से गया तो जरूरी नहीं अगला पार्टिकल इधर ही से जाए कैन गो आल्सो फ्रॉम हियर और देयर ओके so this was our first video and this was the most important questions of the physics for NDA and I will also share the PDF on Telegram so stay connected for the next video okay we will make the video further thank you very much for coming